Okay, let's talk about
what's going on right now. So we are actually in the middle of a pandemic. COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, has shut down the world. We are probably going on a little over a month right now.
I think it's more like 6 weeks, 2 months
yeah,
for people.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
2
do
months
what
for some, a month, a little over a month for us in Colorado here.
we're gonna do what most
What we
people
do
are not
best.
able to do. We're gonna run and escape into the wilderness, and hopefully we'll be able to recoup and regain some of our energy, and we'll be able to.
We're getting kind of tired wearing these guys all the time, so we thought, why not get into the wilderness with the camper and just get off the grid?
Because you can't catch
a
a human virus in the woods from trees and
Nope.
animals. Although there's rumors that some tigers have had it, but I don't know how much truth.
Fault, though.
Yeah. We'll talk about that later. All right, so we're gonna drive up to just north of Buena Vista and south of Twin Lakes, about 40 miles southeast of Aspen, on the other side of Independence Pass. And we'll check back in when we find our campsite, which is all dispersed camping on national park, state park. Pretty much everything is closed, but federal land, even though technically it's discouraged, you're still able to go onto federal land and camp, where there's dispersed camping, which is what we're gonna do. It's basically just free open land that your tax dollars pay for. So.
And we were able to scout it out last weekend, just driving around, and some of the sites off BLM are just incredible. The most amazing views right on the creek and completely away from everyone.
Yeah, there's not a single person for like 50 miles in every direction. So
we're very excited.
Yeah.
3 days.
Check back in when we have our spot and show you guys what we found. So we just got here, set up camp about 20 minutes ago. Got here just in time, sun's starting to set, but check out our campsite.
Talk about a view!
Oh yes,
my gosh.
Speaking of which.
I mean, just wow. Breathtaking. We got a sweet fire pit that was already here, ready to go.
Yep. Check this out. So we got cool dirt road, 7 miles off of the main drag.
Mountain Mama.
Yeah. We got
sweet fire
sweet
pit.
campsite here. Everybody's happy. We got a cool, amazing view, which this video does that no justice whatsoever. These are,
and we found
I think these are 12, 13,000 foot peaks over here on the left. I think that one up there on the top, that one right in the middle, it's kind of off in the distance. I think that's a 14er. I could be wrong though. If we go down here, and we'll film this a little bit tomorrow because it's starting to get dark. Down this road, there's a creek down there. You can kind of see it in the valley. There's a creek way off in the distance there. It basically runs off of the ice and snow and glacier melts up here in these mountains and creates this clear creek, which is actually the name of it, Clear Creek. Now we're gonna make a fire and maybe scout some nighttime photography locations, or maybe just chill tonight. But I definitely need a beer. We'll check back in a bit. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We had our first successful night in the camper, although we've got some quirks in the camper that we've got to work on. But man, the stars last night were out of this world. We saw what? Venus, Mars, Jupiter.
Don't fact check that because I'm not really sure, but they were definitely not stars, they were planets. So
yeah, they definitely had a hue.
We slept in today. It was awesome, and we're going to go fishing.
Yes.
And
we
check out
woke
the
up.
reservoir.
We woke up looking at this, which was amazing. Sit back,
I
Mason.
can't see it. We'll check back in a bit.
And we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. Morning, day 3. We are about to take off. We're packing up everything right now. Got most of the camper cleaned out. We're gonna have to do a deep clean and get some stuff fixed on the camper that we found this weekend. But I just brushed my teeth, finally. First time in a couple of days.
Thank heavens.
Mommy's just now gonna brush her teeth too.
Gonna tackle that.
Got a nice view.
Olivia's gonna teach me how to brush my teeth with no on, or with no.
Camper view.
Quarantine
You already
2020.
got
Quarantine, coronavirus 2020, no people.
Today is what, April
April 26th.
20th?
We're gonna go fishing, hit a little, maybe hiking on the way back, and grab some lunch. Head back to the Springs. See you soon with some solid B-roll, and we got some awesome drone footage last night at a secret spot that Olivia and I found. Right, Boo Boo? Tell them about it.
we found one spot where there's like a river, and it's a bunch of rocks, and there's like on the side there's another river, and then we found this other place that it was a river, and then on the outside there was a whole entire lake, and then so we're gonna go swimming there in the summer.
Yep. We'll check in a bit.
That's it.
Stay tuned for the final footage.